U.S. retailers report April same-store sales throughout the day, and analysts are expecting modest growth last month. And let's get a pulse check now on the high-end market. We're joined in studio by Marla Malcolm Beck, the founder and CEO of Bluemercury. So great of you to be with us bright and early this morning, because we're focusing in on retail, and even during the worst parts of the recession, high-end led us through. So is high-end still going to do that? Are we still going to see more activity there in retail?
I think high-end's really going to lead. I think what we saw during the recession is once everybody's portfolios were okay, she came out shopping again, and she was active. We just turned in our best month since March of 2008. I think you're going to be surprised this morning at the April retails. I think they're going to be much higher than you expect. And I think we're going to see the market go up for retail stocks again.
Yeah, so the high-end, the Tiffany's, the Saks, the Coaches, the Movados, what about the aspirational shopper? I mean, even Ann Taylor saw an increase year-to-date of, what was it, like 200%. Talbot's was up 400%. Is the aspirational shopper coming back, the midsection?
I think she's starting to come back. She's starting to find jobs. Her issue is that she lost her job.
Right.
So she's starting to find jobs. She's starting to feel good. She's tired of not spending money. So absolutely, she's coming back.
Why, though, are we seeing an uptick, now? Is it seasonal? You know this better than anybody. Easter does great. Women are out shopping. So we saw great March numbers. We're expecting a little bit more of a modest uptick today. Perhaps should we combine those to get a better pulse?
We always look at combined March and April because you have Easter shifts, you have spring break shifts. It's hard to tell what's going on unless you combine March and April. And I think the aspirational shopper is out. She's shopping on the internet. She's shopping out in the stores. And what's happened is the retailers have really innovated during the recession. They had to do more with less. And so they innovated on products. They innovated on price points. You saw Coach drop down with their Poppy line to more moderate retail price. And I think they're seeing the benefits of that.
Yeah, well, you're talking about going online, and you guys started as a brick-and-mortar store. And then you had to go online, and now you do most of your business online.
It's our highest comping store by far. I think what's happened, even Saks says they drive 30% of their online business from email. People are shopping. During the recession, they didn't want to go out of their houses. It was embarrassing to be seen in the mall, but she was okay shopping at her desk at home at midnight. And so I think the online behavior is not changing.
Okay, we have a quick question from Christine in Asia.
Hey Marla, hi, this is Christine here in Singapore. I want to ask you, given all these problems we've been hearing overseas about debt crisis over in Greece, global economy still looks pretty uncertain. How immune is the U.S. consumer to all the bad news that's happening out there? Will they still continue to spend?
I think what's going to happen is, as long as she's not paying attention to the shocks, which I don't think she is yet, we're okay. As soon as she starts to feel like it's hitting her portfolio, she's going to stop shopping. So right now there's no effect. We don't see any effect in the market, but we're really worried about any sort of external shock, any sort of inflation shock, any sort of terrorist attack. Right now Greece isn't really a topic here in terms of retail, but it could become one quickly.
And it could also be a good thing for you.
Absolutely. We import a lot of products. And so during the recession, with the euro being as strong as it was, what was happening is the prices were going up, and we had to drop some of our imports. And so now we'll be able to drop the prices again on some of our imports. And it's great for our clients and great for retail. There's a lot of imports in fashion.